Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Thanks for joining me. Welcome to Shanel Romain Art. Okay, I'm Shanel Romain. I am an artist, obviously. But I started this channel actually doing hair videos, hair tutorials. I would literally pop up and create a random hair tutorial and leave. And then pop back up again like a year or so later, do the same thing and leave. But I am a hair enthusiast, always have been. I love hair. I love all things hair, whether it's relaxed or natural, whether it's short or long, braided up, locked, whatever the case may be. I love hair. And so you will see some hair videos every now and again, but what you'll also see are painting videos that will show you how to paint that particular hairstyle. So sort of like in a form of a paint and sip style. So you'll be able to have basically a virtual paint and sip with me on this channel. But also the purpose of this channel, the direction I'm headed in now, is to be able to create art to highlight the beauty in our culture. I love our culture as Black people. I love hair, the way we wear our hair. I love our skin tones and complexions and the complexity of who we are as a people. I love it, okay? So you will be able to come to this channel and be inspired and uplifted through my form of art. We will create hair series, we will create abstract series. If there's something else that you're inspired by that you'd like for me to create, I may or may not, but put it in the comment section. And let me know. Let me know what you'd like to create or what you'd like for me to create so that you can follow along and paint along with me, whether it's for therapeutic reasons or just because you want to do it for fun and hang something up in your home, okay? So feel free to come along this ride with me. I also will create pieces that will encourage those through scripture texts. I get encouraged a lot through different songs, through people that I know or have met along the way. I am a photojournalist as well, so I encounter people often by taking photos, and people have very inspiring stories. So I like to tell stories through art. I am a fine art portrait artist. That is what I specialize in. You can see more of my fine art on my online gallery. The description will be in the, the website will be in the description box below. But yeah, other than that, and I will take you along the ride with that as well, with some of my fine art as well. I do a lot of commission pieces also. So that is what I do. I love what I do. I love creating art, and I love being able to help you see or discover rather the artist in you, okay? People don't believe me when I say I didn't always know how to draw. Seriously, I did not always know how to draw. I took a course in college, my sophomore year in college, drawing 101. And that is where I learned how to see as an artist. I learned how to see shapes. When I'm drawing a portrait, it's not so much the face I see, it's the shapes that make up the face, okay? So, honey, trust me when I say, if you want to learn how to draw and paint, you can. It took me years to get to this place where I am artistically, and I still haven't arrived. I plan on getting a lot better as I grow in my art and in my skill set. But if you're looking, to come along this journey with me, if you're interested, feel free to subscribe. I thank you if you already subscribed. I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. But yeah, let's go ahead and have some artistic fun, y'all, okay? But anyway, I do plan on creating series of arts from abstract to hair, maybe landscape. I'm not really into landscape, but if that's something you want to see, let me know, okay? Let me know. I'm willing to try that. So yeah, but I do create in person. I create a lot. I do several paint and sip parties with another company, But for this channel in particular, I just want to bring you along for the ride, to be inspired and uplifted, you all, and to see beautiful images that represent us in a colorful way. So